Good morning, everyone. I'm Ashish Bhatnagar, Assistant Professor, Computer Science Department, IMS University Course Campus, Ghaziabad. Today, I will discuss the new topic, especially in the field of digital electronics. The topic name is Karnaugh map. Basically, why Karnaugh map is required? As we know, when we have just to define the combinational circuit diagram, so it becomes very tedious when we have the long expressions, the long, you can say, the algebraic expressions or Boolean expressions. So it becomes very typical to rectify these expressions in the terms of logical gates, and we have, as we know that all the logical gates, multiple logical gates are just to represent here. It's not so handle very carefully. So what does the Karnaugh map has thinking here? Just to think to synchronize the numbers of unnecessary gates as we have designed in the given Boolean expressions. We have just to sort the Boolean expressions. So what technique the Karnaugh map has just to define? Let me discuss on today topic. So introduction of Karnaugh map. As we know, a Karnaugh map is known as the K-map, refers to a factorial method that is utilized to minimize various Boolean expressions without using Boolean algebra theory, along with the equations manipulations. A Karnaugh map can be a spatial version of the truth table. We can easily minimize various expressions that have 2 variables, 4 variables using K-map. In numerous digital circuits and other practical problems, finding expressions that have minimum variables become a prerequisite. In such case, minimization of Boolean expression is possible that we have 3, 4 variables, and it can be done using the Karnaugh map without any theorem of Boolean algebra. That means we need not to require the Boolean algebra, you can say the protocols and rules and regulations. Without using that, we have just to minimize, we have just to the Boolean expressions and perform the K-map. So K-map is a representation like a table structure, but it gives more data than the truth table. Fill a grid of K-map with 1 and zeros. 1 and 0 is nothing. Basically, both are the inputs, right? And it's solved by creating various groups. So logically, if you discuss about the K-map, so K-map has just to take the 3 types of input. First is a 0, second is a 1. 1 means high volt, 0 means low volt, and third variable, you can say third input is the don't care input, which is represented by capital X. Okay, so how we have just to design the K-map? We can design the K-map in a 2 ways, in a 2 forms. First one is a sum of product, second is a product of sum. In a short, we have just to say that SOP and POS. So K-map is a representation that is table-like, but it gives more data than a truth table. Fill a grid of K-map with 1 and zeros, and it's solved by creating various groups. So these are the steps here. We are just to create the K-map. First, select the K-map according to the total numbers of variables. For example, if you have the 4 variables, that means we will create the 4 variable K-map. Suppose if we given the 3 variables, that means we have just to create the 3 variable K-map and so on. Maximum, you are just to say the 4 variable K-map is sufficient to solve any complex circuit logic diagrams, right? So identify maximum minterms as are given in problems. We have just to given problems. So how we have just to represent the minterms expressions or the maximum expressions. For the SOP means sum of product, we will put 1 in the block of K-map with respect to the minterms. Elsewhere a 0 in case of POS. Let's say we are given for POS, putting 0 in the block of the K-map with respect to the max term, elsewhere ones. Making rectangular groups that contain the total terms in the power of 2, such as 2, 4, 8, except 1, and trying to cover as many numbers of elements as we can in a single group. So from the group that we have created in the 5 steps, and step 5th, find the product terms and then sum up for the SOP forms. Similarly, we have just to convert the SOP forms into the finally POS forms. The K-map is a systematic way of simplifying Boolean expression, as I already told you. With the help of K-map, we can find the simplest POS and SOP expressions, which is known as minimum expressions. The K-map provides a cookbook for simplifications. Just like the truth table, a K-map contains all possible values of input variables and their corresponding output values. However, in the K-map, the value are stored in cell of the array. In each cell, a binary value of each input variable is stored. For example, if the number of variable is 3, so the number of cell is 2 raised to the power 3, which is equal to 8. If the number of variable is 4, then we have just to take the number of cell is 2 raised to the power 4. The K-map takes the SOP and POS forms. The K-map grid is filled with the combination of 0 and 1s. The K-map is solved by making groups. There are following steps used to solve the expressions. First, we find the K-map as per the number of variable. Find the maximum and min terms. Fill the cell of K-map for 1 and 0 for the POS. Next, we create the numbers of multiple groups, like in the form of 2, in the form of 4, in the form of 8, and maximum 16. But 16 is not possible. Okay, so we have first we have to can we create the 8 groups with respect to the ones, because we have just to focus firstly on the ones. How many groups we have just to create in the form of 8 rectangular area, the 4 rectangular area, and the last one is 2 rectangular area. So we have just to represent the K-map one by one. 2 variable K-map. What does it mean? There is a total of 4 variables in a 2 variable K-map. There are 2 variables in a 2 variable K-map. The figure represented is here. This is a representation of 2 variable K-map, where we have just to take the matrix of 2 by 2, where we have just to define some variables like the Z and Y. Here is a Z and here is a Y. So it represents 0, 1. These are the input. 0 and 1. These are the input, and these are the values inside the cell. We have just to take it out. And in the case of the 3 variables, let's say X, Y, Z. So we have just to take, you have just to define Y, Z as well as either this or this. No, here is not the considered a 3 variable. This is a 2 variable K-map. So you have just to design the K-map table like this or this. It's up to you. This is a representation of 3 variables K-map. Is represented as an array of 8 cells. In this case, we used A, B, and C variables. Let's say this is A, B variable, C variable. Accordingly, we are just to take the input of A, B, like a 0, 0 is the first 2 input value having the 0 volt. You can say the 0 and 1, 1, 1 and 1, 0. 1, 1 is a representation, is a voltage of the high voltage. You guys 1 and 1 and 1, 0, right? So this is the representation, and this representation in the K-map represent as a gray code. We have just to discuss now. Similarly, you have just to define, you have just to feed the variables inside the cell of the K-map. Like suppose if you consider A, B, C, that means 0, 0, 0, which represents A bar, B bar, and C bar. Similarly, A, B, C is here for the A bar, B bar, and C is the 1, because so we have not just to apply here the complement, where if we have find the 0, so we have just to apply the complement. Otherwise, the variable seems as it is. The same case is here, the same case is here, and the same case is here, right? We have just to feed all the values in the given cell. 4 variable K-maps. This is a big K-map. We have just to apply the 4 into 4, 4 is to 2. You have just to say that 1, 2, 3, 4 and 4, 16 cell K-map. Inside that, we have just to take the variable A, B, and C, D. Accordingly, we have just to set the input values in the form of binary expressions, binary forms, either 0 or 1, and C, D in the we have just to take the input like 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. And this is a representation of the gray code. Again, I am saying to repeat in here. And you have just to define 0, 0 means A bar, B bar, C, D means 0, 0, C bar, D bar. And accordingly, we have to fill all the variables in the given cell. Each and every cell has contained their own values, right? Okay. So let me discuss one problem. So you have just to clear all the concepts. We have just to given the problems. Minimize a Boolean expression. Let's say F A B C D. That means we will create the 4 by 4 K map. It means 4 variable K map, right? So A B C D are the 4 variable. That means we have just to create the 4 variable K map. Having the summation represent the sum of product. So minimize min terms, you have just to given min terms, and this is a given min terms value like 0, 1 to 5 and so on. First of all, what will we have? We have just to create the table. We have just to create the matrix. You can say the 4 by 4 matrix. Here we have the 16 cell is here. We have to represent the specify the position of the variable like A, B, and C, D, and then we have just to define the input of each and every cells like A bar, B bar, C bar, D bar. That means 0 0 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0 gray code, 0 0 1 1 1 0 1, sorry 1 0. Okay, so we have just to find all these expressions in the term of variables, and we have just to set and place the given expression, and I mean the given parameter, the given value, and we are just to place a 1 in the cell 0. Yeah, it is my cell 0. We are just to place 1 in the cell 1. We have just to place 1. Okay, in the cell 2 we have just to place again 1. In the cell 5, yeah, of course this 5 we have just to place 1. 7 1 8, in the given 8 cell we have just to place 1. 9, let me check it out. 9, yeah, this is the 9, place 1. 10, place 1. 13, place 1. 15, place 1. Okay, each and every you can say the high input volt 1 has to be placed according to the given expression of the Minterms values, and after that we have just to look it out how many numbers of blocks we have just to create. Yeah, let me check. Can we create the 8 blocks which represents the 1, either in the form of rectangular, either in the form of corners, either in the form of triangle, not triangle, either in the form of squares, and much more. We never create the you can say the block in diagonally like this way. No, this seems very wrong. Of course, we have just to create the group like this. This is my first group, this is my second group which contains a 1. Of course, we have just to cover the 1 corners, 1 1 1. So we can say here in this given you can say the K-map architecture, we have the 3 times 4 block 1's input values. First one is this, which covers this triangle area. This is a square, this is a rectangle, and the rest is a 4 corners. We are just to take as a group. We are just to write all this 4. You can say all this group information is here, and perform the same. Okay, we have just to find finally the expression BD plus C bar D plus B bar D bar. On solving the as such, we have just to minimize the Boolean expression. Finally, we have just to create the logic circuit diagram, as because we have the 3 AND gates and 1 OR gate, because this expression is written as in the form of sum of product. Finally, we are just to create the gate, and after that we are just to convert the SOP into the POS. Nothing that we are just to change the expression. Let's say suppose here is given a B dot D. So this is the SOP expression, and if you want to write the B dot D in the POS, so what we will do, we will do B bar plus D bar dot C plus D bar dot B plus D. This will the expression which represents the product of sum, and accordingly we are just to define the combinational logical diagram with their truth values. So this is the very best way how we have just to minimize the complex Boolean expression into the minimized one. I hope students you must have all understand all this topic. So please keep practicing, find much problems based on the K-map and solve like this way. Thank you so much.